All right, quick walkthrough. So, cordless alliance systems. We have Lamello, Mafell, Scan Grip, which is going to be like a really amazing lighting company. StarMix, who makes this vacuum. This is the Metabo rebranded vacuum from StarMix. Also, they're the same company that makes this cordless control that you plug into the wall. All German ordered equipment. And here in the United States, it's all going to be rebranded as Metabo. So this is not Metabo HPT. Make sure you guys get that right. It's just Metabo. It's a German brand, very high end. It's probably your next tier, I would say, right into the Festool territory. So let's have a quick conversation about that. This tool is coming out right now. This is their biggest, most popular tool. Is a track mounted saw. If you notice, the track is attached to the saw. You can set it multiple bevels and angles. This gives you an accurate straight cut every single time. You don't have to worry about, drawing lines and doing all the other crap that you're normally used to. You just make a tick mark and cut it. And they just came out today. This just launched today. So Beaver Tools, you can check them out right now. And then they have multiple other tools. This jigsaw cuts through, I think, 4 inches of material. This is their big honk and drill 3-speed monster. There's more torque in that right now than almost any other drill on the market. It'll do like a 4-inch Forstner bit. It's a beast. Then you've got Starlock, which is the same as your Fine and your Bosch. So that'll click into here. This is just the Starlock Plus. Tons of power. Awesome with all of their individual settings. Everything has so many settings. Electric clutch on that. That's a super killer drill. And then this head is removable and replaceable. There's a lot of reasons why I got into this system. Also, this is their new sander. I believe this was made in conjunction with Mirka. Fantastic little sander, very super buttery smooth. This is their new drill with that auto stop, so it doesn't over rotate. Then you've got their impact. Again, multiple different modes. And then you got to get yourself a DFM Tools side plate. You've got the Mafell, which is just buttery smooth. That is probably one of the nicest saws I've ever used in my entire life. I will continue to use it. It is my trimming machine. I use it on tracks. I cut down and break down material with it. It is a dream to use. And not only can this saw and this saw both fit on the Bosch Mafell rails, but this one can also fit on the traditional FS style rails, like the Festool rails. I wouldn't use that for that purpose, but you could definitely use that on a Bosch Mafell track. It just there's a little bit of slop in here. Honest answers from Andrew over here. Also, super cool thing coming up. This is the Lamello Zeta P2. This came out quite a few years ago. We're all getting about it in the States now, thanks to Chris over at Lamello. But they're coming out with a cordless version of this. This will run the same CAS batteries, cordless alliance systems batteries, and it'll be cordless. So super pumped about that. This is a phenomenal tool. This is like having a CNC that you can carry around with you when you're attaching and working with material. But anyway, this is a quick rundown. Obviously the Mafell Erica, which is fantastic, and then the dust extractor. Without a good quality dust extractor, most of these tools are pretty worthless. And then you gotta love that. That's the coolest thing ever. That works on vibration. So this will vibrate and it'll create a contact with the wall plugs. There's a plug in the wall that this is plugged into, and that's all made by StarMix. These are all tools. StarMix actually makes that Metabo vacuum. So these are all tools that work in conjunction with each other from multiple different brands. So understanding that all these tools are separate brands, but they all work in conjunction thanks to the cordless alliance system. So you got to get on the system. They have a lot more tools coming. They've got a sweet track saw that I need to order. So many really great products that are all on the same battery platform. I got tired of the Makita, the DeWalt, the Metabo HPT, the blah, 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 blah. So many different brands out there that these guys all tie together. So I can have amazing high quality tools all on the same platform. Festool doesn't even make the variety of tools that these companies all make in conjunction. So that's one of the biggest reasons that I'm with these guys, is that they just make high quality German tools that produce and they work every time and you don't have to think about them.